Hi guys, so I have been on quite a kick lately on at-home do-it-yourself beauty products. So today I'm going to try to use a few products. I'll be using baking soda, got baking soda, lemon, honey, and strawberries. What I will be attempting today is to do some face whitening, maybe some teeth whitening, and if there's anything left over, maybe some scar reduction, stretch marks, etc., etc. So here we go. Let's get to it. I'm back. So I'm going to start with one whole lemon, 3 strawberries, medium size, some honey, 2 cups, and something to mash it with. Alright. I'm going to start by cutting the lemon in half and cutting up the strawberries. Alright, so cutting up my strawberries. Got half. Honestly, don't need that much. It's really all that you need. You don't need a lot. Just having the strawberries in a bowl. And a cup. Just gonna squeeze the lemon in here. And juice up in there. Baking soda. It's sizzling. Take this, mash it. Now this, I'm making my teeth. That's what it is so far. So all I'm going to do is dip my toothbrush and brush. Alright. Then I'm going to do my face mask, which I can try and use the same one. One tip for buying lemons, try and get the ones that are more round, not so oval, get more juice. Now there's a nice amount of lemon juice in there. Then I'll take out the seed. Some more it's sizzling. So of course, I don't want to put that on my face, and that it sounds like it's gonna burn something open, like that. So what we're gonna do is add a little add a little honey to neutralize it. Why is it not open? Joy.